In the world of data, chaos can often reign. You've likely encountered spreadsheets that look like this. A jumbled mess or related information seems to have a mind of its own. The real frustration comes not just from the visual disarray, but from the risk of data integrity. Imagine accidentally separating a customer's name from their purchase details, or an employee's contact information from their job role. That's why mastering sorting in Excel, while keeping related data intact, is absolutely essential. Today, we're going to transform that chaos into order. We'll ensure that when you sort your data, every connected piece of information stays exactly where it belongs, maintaining accuracy and making your spreadsheets a joy to work with. To begin, the most critical step is to select all the data you intend to sort. This ensures that Excel understands the scope of your operation and treats the entire selection as a single unit. With your data selected, find your way to the Data tab on the Excel ribbon. Click on the prominent Sort button, which will reveal the powerful Sort dialog box. This is where the magic truly happens. At the forefront is the Sort by option. This is where you choose the primary column by which you want your data arranged. For instance, if organizing by geographical location, you'd select your region column here. After selecting your column, you'll determine the order of sorting. Excel offers flexibility: alphabetical, A to Z, or Z to A; numerical, smallest to largest, or largest to smallest; or chronological sorting for dates. For our regions, we'll opt for A to Z to achieve alphabetical order. Now, for safeguarding the integrity of your rows, Excel is smart and can recognize headers. If your first row contains your column titles, ensure the My Data has Headers checkbox is ticked. This crucial setting prevents your headers from being mixed into the sorted data itself. Should you require multi-level sorting, perhaps sorting by region, and then by city within each region, you can easily achieve this. Click Head Level to introduce another sorting criterion. Now, you'll select your secondary sorting column, such as city, and choose its desired order. Excel will first sort by your primary criterion region, and then, within each of those established groups, it will apply the secondary sort city. Once you've meticulously configured all your sorting parameters, a simple click of the OK button finalizes the operation. And just like that, your potentially chaotic data is transformed into a perfectly organized, easily digestible format. Every piece of information stays tethered to its original context, ensuring accuracy and saving you countless hours of manual correction. Mastering this fundamental Excel skill is a direct path to becoming a data organization powerhouse.